welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia Diaz. This is the first time that you are here. We are at Ali Art and we have a great time painting and enjoying the day. As if you have followed me, you know that I am here really to experiment, to have fun, to relax, to decompress from the busy week. And this is my favorite place to stay. So today I'm going to do a technique that I have been following from Sarah Taylor that I absolutely love. That is called the pearl swipe. So I'm going to do some translucent base coats that I'm going to color, and I'm going to use some base coats and then some white, and then I'm going to swipe it. And then we are going to spin it and have fun. So I'm going to play some music and I'm going to show you at the end the result. Okay, hopefully it's something that I'm happy with, and if not, remember, it's just paint, nothing happened. We wait for it to dry and we do it again. Okay, so welcome again to my channel and let's have fun together. Wow, I love it. That's exactly what I wanted to get. I love that I added that gold there. I think it really gets, I wish I could have gotten the other one kind of here, but it disappears. So I guess I need to put a little bit less base so I don't lose the whole design, but I love it. I love the background color. I love the color combinations. I love the sails, how they open, exactly what I wanted. I mean, it's beautiful. Let me know if you like it. I really like it.